On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
Why are you?
I put the mail back.
Huh?
Thank you. Can you open it?
That's passing. What you doing in the mailbox?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
I'm calling the cops right now.
Bronx, New York. This sneaky lady thinks she's on the low and proceeds to duck from the camera like we can't see her or something, then starts to take it. Why, I don't know. The camera will be inactivated and useless after her meager attempt. Massachusetts. A female on something looking very sad was in and out of the street doing these very same movements. She was doing stuff to the vehicles, and on the side of this house, she was moaning, singing, and yelling. She also attempted to get inside multiple vehicles. Police were contacted due to the safety concern for her, as well as drivers, since she was in the street behaving this way multiple times. When police arrived, they just spoke to her and they went on their way. This girl needs help. Whose woman is this? Memphis, Tennessee.
Get the out of my truck! Get the out of my goddamn truck! Get the out of my truck! You got 2 seconds! Get the out of my truck!
Yeah, get out of her truck. That's not your truck, it's hers.
My truck right here. Oh.
A woman is alerted by hearing glass shattering from above. She looks out of her window and sees that her door is ajar on her Chevy 1984 truck. She comes downstairs to the door and proceeds to tell this thief to kick rocks.
Go get him! He bust the window out. Yep. You heard it? Yeah. Call the cops, Mom. Come on. Get your phone.
Make sure to always lock your car doors. But just like this example, even that's not always safe. So be sure to take always out all valuables.
God. Yes. You just had a car break in? I just had someone to break into my car. And the door's still open, but there's glass and stuff out there, and he just walked away. He told me, get out. And, come on, just give me a address so the cops can pull up.
St. Louis, Missouri. This man comes to this homeowner's house appearing to want to rake leaves, but he ends up raking their package instead. Kick rocks. Newark, New Jersey. A strange man enters this lady's front gate, walks all the way into the backyard. What for? Is he snooping around? Is he trying to break it into her? Who knows? But check out this suspicious man's lame response to being caught.
Ain't no bathroom back here.
I had to pee, that's all. That's it, I wasn't trying to do that.
A whole gate, you have to hurry up and get off the fucking property before I get you in the street. Hurry up. Ain't no bathroom over here.
My bad, all right.
Let me find you back over here.
San Diego, California. Here's another random and suspicious man entering a stranger's front gate. Late at night, what is he looking for? Is he looking to vandalize? Is he looking to get inside? What's his issue?
Yo, can I help you, bro?
I'll go.
Hey, where you going? What are you doing?
I'll come right back.
Yeah, I got you on camera, fam.
I'll come right back.
Yeah? Better watch yourself. Yeah, I know who you are now, boy. Where you going, boy?
This proactive resident seems like he's about that life. Alameda, California. This woman with a fluffy coat try to steal their mail. All of it. This woman should be ashamed of herself. Who is this lady? Brooklyn, New York. Here's another mail thief.
Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Hurry the up, son.
Luckily, the resident was able to catch him in the act and confront her on his Ring security camera.
Hello. Hello. Who that coming in the mail?
Yeah.
What you coming in the mailbox?
Huh?
What are you doing in the mailbox?
I'm in the middle.
What are you doing in the mailbox?
Excuse you?
What are you doing?
I live upstairs. Nothing.
Do you leave here? You don't leave here. Why are you,
I'm checking our mail.
why are you in the mailbox? Why are you in the
I put the mail back.
huh?
Thank you. Can you
You're
open it?
trespassing. What you doing in the mailbox?
Open up upstairs.
What's that? What are you doing in the mailbox?
Nothing. Lick it. Easy. Until somebody get home, open the door upstairs. Huh? Okay.
This woman is claiming she's waiting for the tenant upstairs to let her in. While she waits and eats her chips and drinks her soda pop, she decides to look in this guy's mailbox.
That's unfair. Open up upstairs.
How pathetic. She needs to kick rocks. Chicago, Illinois.
May I help you, sir? Put my flower pot back down. Hold on, girl. Wait a minute. Is that correct? Wait, girl, I'm trying. I can't even pull up the doggone thing. My neighbor next door had called me and told me. Okay. He tried to steal my flower pot. Right, because she had told me she saw him. you.
Hyattsville, Maryland. Bronx, New York. Here's an example of why you should never allow your kids to open up the door, especially late at night.
It's me, man. Listen, man. Is that? Is that what's on the wall?
What the f is you doing? Nigga, get out my house! Get the f out my house! Nigga,
Until next time, be safe. Have a good one.
Put my package back, please.
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Please put my